Today we are going to talk about how to make a template for custom convex glass. Though we carry many standard shapes and sizes of convex glass, you may be looking for a non-traditional shape and/or size. Not to worry, we can help you get what you need. We, at Victorian Frame Company, can often bend or trim a piece of convex glass to fit your frame. To begin, trace the frame back, picture or frame, depending on what you have access to. Please do not cut it out. Please do not use tissue paper, as it is too thin and will often tear. Wrapping paper works well for this. The line you draw becomes the glass size unless specified differently. Price is calculated from united inches, length, and width. Include the following information on the template: your name, phone number, email, convex glass and depth required. Once you have added this information, fold up your template and place it in an envelope and mail it to the correct address. For American customers, for Canadian customers, once we receive your template, you will receive a call or email for your order confirmation. We will then bend or trim the glass as per your template. In review, trace out your template, include the appropriate information, fold and mail to Victorian Frame Company. We will then bend or trim your glass and send it to you ready to install. Thanks for watching. Contact us with any questions.